capacity of one engine, one capacity of the whole. And by doing so, we're gonna have workshop repair manual. As you can see, this is gonna be our line. We're gonna use it to make sure we do the right stuff. Our special tools today we're gonna use. I'm gonna share with you how to use the dial bore gauge. We're gonna use one caliper, and we're gonna use the micrometer gauge. We're gonna use these three special tools here. And by doing so, here. Gonna have this one here. Our repair manual, workshop repair manual. It's gonna guide us to see how we're gonna measure our strings, the ball. And straight away we're gonna go to chapter. In this video we're gonna demonstrate how to measure a cylinder block of 1HZ engine. We'll begin with the micrometer, and we will set the micrometer to the specification as per the repair manual of the diameter of our cylinder block. The micrometer, we will fix the micrometer to the vise just slightly, not too hard. Then we will use our dial bore gauge 3-inch attachments that's pinned there in front. And it will determine whether it will need a little bit of spacer or not. The dial bore gauge has a dial indicator on it, the top dial gauge there. So the very first thing we're gonna do is to set the dial gauge to 0. As you can see, set to 0 for the perfect specification of the cylinder block of this 1HZ as per the repair manual. And we'll fix the dial gauge to the micrometer, and we will rock back and front until it's right on 0. It's right on 0, stick on 0. Now we will take our dial bore gauge to the cylinder, and first we're gonna measure the taper of we will need. Gonna measure, and we will take our dial bore gauge to the cylinder block, and first we're gonna measure taper, and we will need to take six different measurements in total. Remember to record all the measurement. We're gonna record all those measurements, and we keep it in some piece of paper. all around, 3 to the top and 3 to the bottom of the cylinder block, of each cylinder block. We rock it back and front, as you can see, and all the position, left, right, and east, west, north, south. And left, as you can see, the left to 0, which means that those numbers are larger than the specification. Remember to record all the measurement. We're gonna record all these measurements, and we keep it in some piece of paper, and we're gonna call all these measurement as our, gonna serve as our taper. And finally the larger number we got from over all the angles or the circumference, we're gonna call it as the cylinder bore diameter. So we'll pick the big number and we will call it the bore diameter of the cylinder. We'll compare all those numbers to the specification as per the repair manual, and which that the number will determine whether the cylinder is it okay, we can still reuse, or we need to bore the cylinder and make oversize and get the oversized piston and the piston rings, or we just say the cylinder block is correct, we can reuse and just fix a new standard rings, piston rings and standard piston, and we continue. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the show, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and then if there's any comment, please pop in there the comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you very much. This was brought to you by NN Group of Companies.